A mobile cage for your iPhone 12 Pro Max from Smallrig up next. Welcome and thanks for watching. If you could do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified when I post new content, and give this video a thumbs up, I'd very much appreciate it. In a previous video, I took a look at a thin case and some lens accessories from Moment for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I picked up these accessories not only for photography, but also in anticipation of possibly shooting more video with my iPhone. Now, I took that a step further and I picked up this Pro Mobile Cage from Smallrig. And if you have a camera and you shoot video with a camera, you're familiar with the name Smallrig because they make these cages to enable you to attach more accessories to your camera, like a flash or a LED panel for taking video, a microphone, and possibly a tripod or a handle, just to make your rig a little more efficient and smaller so you can carry it around easier. Now, the main reason why I picked up this cage was not only for the accessories, but also because it's compatible with my Moment lenses. So let's go ahead and take a look at this mobile cage and unbox it. Looks like there's actually some tape here. Let's go ahead and cut that. And here's what the cage is actually going to look like. Pro Mobile Cage, and you can see you can attach accessories. Here they have a handle and a microphone on top of the handle. External lens installation. Again, the big reason I got it is because it's compatible with my Moment lenses. Ultra protection, quick lock design, and multiple mounting options. Side of the packaging open, and there's the cage. Now this is made of metal. It's pretty sturdy. Nice build. And here are the multiple 1/4 inch mounting points. Another mounting point for flash accessories or accessories that you can fit on your flash. You got the power button here, and you have volume rocker here, an opening to reach the mute switch. That might be a little difficult. Looks pretty sunken in there. Opening for your lightning cable, and a couple more 1/4 inch mounting points, speaker, and mounting points all around. And there's also a couple mounting points on top, and again for something where you would normally put a flash or that type of mount. Now on the back you can see openings, and these are compatible with the Moment lens. And as I said, this is mostly metal construction. There is kind of like this area, it's kind of like a rubber Smallrig, and that's, I believe, so that it doesn't move around. So that's a bit tacky there, so you don't have to worry about this thing slipping around if you place it on its back. There is a locking button there so that you can open the cage. That's how that works. Open and close. And again, looks like pretty good construction. This is a pretty rigid and pretty hefty, but it does feel light mobile cage. So this should protect you from drops and other things, although the front and the back are exposed. So when we open this, we're supposed to slide our iPhone in here. And the inside looks to be, if you can see that, or the camera's going to catch that, but lined with kind of like a silicone lining so that you don't scratch your phone when you place it in this cage or remove it. One thing though I will note is you want to make sure, to avoid scratching your phone, you do want to make sure that there is no debris in here or dust or anything that could scratch your phone when you're placing it in here, because that looks like if there was some debris and it got stuck and you're sliding your phone in there, you could cause some abrasions or scratches to your phone. So let's go and see how the phone fits in here. Take it out of my Moment thin case that has a similar mount. simply slides in. Like that. And it's gliding in slowly there. It is a very tight fit. And then once you have the phone in there, you just go ahead and snap it shut. And again, the back is exposed and the front is exposed. So if you really wanted to protect the back, maybe you might want to put a wrap. And I think that would still fit if you had a wrap on there on the back to protect it from scratches. But that's a sturdy case. Probably wouldn't pocket this like this. Only use this for when I'm shooting video. And let's go ahead and fit these lenses on here. So this is the tele lens. And as my other case reviews, your phone is well protected if you place it face down, and the cameras are well protected if you don't have anything mounted on there if you place it on its back. No doubt about that. And it's actually a kind of cool, sturdy looking case. Buttons work. Oops. And up and down rocker, very tactile. And as I said, yeah, that mute switch, I can't reach in there. I don't even think a child can fit their finger in there. So you're gonna need something, toothpick or something to reach in there if you wanna, again, use the mute switch. And the same with the lightning cable. You probably want a thin cable that would fit in there. Let's go ahead and attach this again. This telephoto lens. And again, this is the tele lens and the wide lens. And I'm going to use the wide lens since it has the on-sensor image stabilization. And here it is in the unlock position. It actually shows there are something that the actual moment mount lacks, is it shows you the unlock position and you turn it clockwise into the lock position. So that is a neat touch. And there you go. That actually looks kind of sharp. Looks like some professional equipment there. It's a nice fit. And actually this lens mounted on this case a lot easier than it does on here. I'm always, when I mount it on the actual moment case, I kind of feel like it's stripping some of the plastic, and this is plastic. So knowing that this is plastic, this can be damaged, and Moment sells these lens mounts separate from the case. So that just tells me that this is going to be a point of failure in the future if you use your lenses quite a bit, and this probably will break at some point, or maybe become too thin so that the lens doesn't stay on there too well with friction. This, on the other hand, is metal. These are metal mounts, and like I said, this was easier to mount this lens here than on the actual Moment case, and it's probably going to be more sturdier. So again, that looks good on there. Let's go ahead and someone try some of the other lenses, just because. So that's the telephoto, tele lens, and in here I have my wide angle lens. Yeah, that does mount on there a lot nicer than on the Moment's actual case. So it looks like with the tele lens on there. And last but certainly not least, let's try the anamorphic lens. mounts just like that. And I will say, removing the lens caps, I have a lot more confidence removing these than I would on this lens, because I always feel like I'm gonna, or at least on this case I mean, because I always feel like I'm gonna yank this off when I remove the lens cap on there. It's still pretty much on there snug. So this is going to be an excellent case for moment lenses or any other compatible lenses that have the same mount. One other thing, as I said, there are quarter mounts here. So if you wanted to attach, say, a tripod like I have here, you just need to screw that on there. Like that. And then you can use it as a tripod, or if you wanted to use it as a handle, you could do that as well. And that works pretty well. It's kind of cool. Go ahead and set that there. Like that. And I also happen to have an LED panel. Remove the foot. And this is something that I would normally mount on something with like a flash mount, a Hotshoe mount, sorry. You can also add that to this phone. As you can see with this mount here. Then we'd screw it down. I actually wanted to turn that the other way. How that would look like that. You can turn this bad boy on, and there you have a pretty decent mobile rig with LED light to shoot that video. And I would say actually it's kind of cool and that works pretty well. So you can catch that there. Now I could also, on this end, attach a microphone if I wanted to, or swap them out. Put the LED panel here and the microphone here. Also depending on what kind of microphone you're using. If you have a dead cat, it might show in the lens if you're using the wide lens. So you can swap those accessories around. That's kind of cool, and that works pretty well. So there you have, let me shut off that light. The Pro Mobile Rig from Smallrig. And I'll say this is actually going to be quite useful if I do plan on shooting more video, which I probably will with this, since this does 4K Dolby Vision. Looking forward to using it. So that's going to do it for this one. And this is actually a cool accessory, I think, for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I believe they do make one for the iPhone 12 Pro. If you have the smaller phone, and if you have one for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can pick one of these up for yourself. Do you have a favorite accessory for your iPhone 12 Pro Max? Do you shoot a lot of video? Do you use the moment lenses, or even maybe have this Smallrig cage? What is your experience with these accessories? Let me know in the comments below. And until the next one, please take care and be safe out there.